Hi friends, Varda here. Welcome back to my channel after a long time. Today I have a unboxing video for you and I wanted to show you what all things are included in a typical Kitten Caboodle Club box from Spellbinders. It's an amazing value club that combines three of their popular clubs, which is Card Kit Club and Die of the Month Club, Small Die of the Month Club and Large Die of the Month clubs. And all three of them are included in this value club, and it's really great value for money. I often find myself combining products like papers and dies and stamps for sentiments from all three, and love it. I totally love it. So I just wanted to share this with you today and show you the contents of it. It comes in a packet box like that with the Spellbinder club kits and Never Stop Making, which are their signature tags, in addition to Spellbinder. So if you create anything with their clubs and you post it on social media, you might want to tag them with either Spellbinder club kits or and Never Stop Making, so that everybody who's looking for inspiration using their clubs can view your creations too. So let's go ahead and open this box. Their card kit of the month for May 2019 is called as Stay Wild, and that's what you see right there, May 2019. And this is how it comes. As you can tell, I have gone through the contents of it, kind of played around with the ideas, and I'll be sharing more ideas on my blog and hopefully some over here if I can, but definitely on my blog and social media. If you don't follow me, please go and check out my handle. It's all in my blog vardasharma.com. You'll be able to find all links from there, so I'll also link it down below. And let's get started with this unboxing. So these are all the goodies that you get. Let me take out their standard goodies out. Let me take them out and keep them aside. You get this beautiful textured, I hope you can see the texture out there, it's like linen texture, 10 card bases with matching white envelopes. They're pretty good quality, and these are the card bases you get. They fit perfectly inside this envelope, and they can be used as side folding or top folding. So they're basically A2 sized or almost A2 sized, I think, card bases that you get. There are 10 of them. Let me put this aside. Next, you will open this later. Next, you get this stamp set. Look at that adorable bear. It's almost like he's hugging something. I'm definitely going to create something with him. The stamp set says Stay Wild, and this is what it looks like. Love all the sentiments. I come bearing gifts. Happy birthday. And yeah, I love all this. It can be used to create a beautiful birthday card. You could probably dress up the bear. Yeah, and some sentiments maybe for even the inside of a card, or maybe even scrapbooking, I don't know. But this is the stamp set for May 2019 card kit Stay Wild. You also get this inspiration package. It has typically 3 ideas and details for one of the ideas. So one of the ideas which you see here has been elaborated on how you can create it yourself. You get these layered butterfly stickers. Let me take them out from the packaging. They are beautiful, as you can probably see on the camera. I know sometimes it is hard to see on the camera, but they are beautiful, glittery, shiny butterflies in gorgeous colors. So definitely using them, and they are 3-dimensional. Look at that, look at all the dimension going on. Okay, so you get a pack of these, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Each time these stickers or goodies might be different, but this is the one for me 2019. You get 8 butterfly set. This is another standard item that comes. You get double-sided tape and foam adhesive. I often use even liquid adhesive, which I always have on hand to make my cards, but mostly you have plenty of adhesive here to do what you want to create. This time you're also getting some sequins, which are in different sizes, and you do get a different paper pack paper pad every month. Typically there are like I think 15 different patterns, but there are multiples of each, which I like because pretty paper, right? I find it hard, if that is the last one in my stash, I find it hard to cut it up. But knowing that I have multiples of each makes me feel a little better about using it. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. And I'll just flip through these quickly. There are some that are, oh, that also has some gold shine on it. Mostly graphics or patterns, wood pattern, some kind of Victorian lace kind of a design, floral pattern. This is beautiful. And this rose here matches, and these leaves match up with the dies. I'll show you in a bit. Another plaid one, wood one, stay wild kind of a thing, like word art kind of a thing. Again, that rose, it matches up with the dies. I'll show you. And then see, you have another set of the same one. So I really like that about these paper pads that are included. And then we'll look at the dies last because they are the best part, I believe. And then you also get these journaling cards or frames. Again, this is something that's different each time. Sometimes you get like sentiment strips or sentiment stickers or puffy stickers. So this is different each time. You always get a paper pad. You always get ephemera like these pieces here. Each time they're different, and they're always very well coordinated. That's another thing I like. These are 4 journaling cards that are included, and you can use either side of it. And then you have all these almost like picture frames, right? Polaroid frames. So that's what you get. And I'm thinking of creating some fun shaker cards with them. So stay tuned for that. You'll definitely get to see it on my blog. I'll try to put it on YouTube too, but for me, making videos is a little bit more time consuming. I'm still working on making it work for me, you know what I mean? So yeah, definitely on my blog and social media like Instagrams where I can post pictures. YouTube, I'll try. Okay, see, there are so many of these. It says offline, and then again matching leaves. This is matching one of the dies. You have bears, and then you have some of these like a little wooden ring with some message on it. Some of these I feel like I have seen in one of the older card kits, and I loved it. I'm so glad they decided to bring some of these back, like the rose ones. And then you have these, and there are definitely multiples of each. So see, there are multiples of each of these designs. So again, you can use them, at least 2 each. You can use them without the fear of, oh my god, that's the last one and I'll run out of it, kind of a thing. So there you go. You have plenty of ephemera to make, I would say, even more than 10 cards. So I'm going to simply, oh yeah, and there are some of these beautiful sentiments, and some of them have this gold accent. I think they would be great for any kind of paper project, including like a scrapbook layout, or maybe even like a frame, like desktop photo frame or something that you want to put on your desk. Something like that would be good too. So those are all the ephemera pieces, and a lot of them have this beautiful shine. I hope you can see. It's hard to catch this shiny details on camera, but that's what it looks like. You do get all these cardstocks. Most of them are patterned, at least with the linen kind of a pattern they have on them. Look, this is light greenish color, beige and black. And then you have a white one. You have a gray kind of one. And this gorgeous shiny one, dazzling, is copper mirrored cardstock. I think that is what it's called. It's mirrored on both sides. So amazing, amazing for adding little die cut accents. Okay, now my favorite part. You ready for this? So these are the dies that are included in this month's card kit. If you subscribe to card kit, or if you subscribe to one of the clubs which has card kits, like this box here, then you will see this die included in your packet. Ooh, I like this piece. It's like a little swirly thingy. You have a banner die. I think that will match up with this sentiment that we have. See, that will be beautiful. I don't know if it will match up with any of these, but definitely with the one Stay Wild. And you have a word die that says smile. You have several leaves, and you know what, I really like it when the leaves, or the vines you call them, I don't know what you call them, but basically they are a cluster of leaves. I love it when there are both sides, because in that case I don't have to do anything fancy for getting the opposite direction of leaves. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then this is the outline layer, and this is a beautiful detailed rose insert that you will put inside this. I have a sample which I cut, and I'll show you. Just give me 1 second to pull it out. I did cut a sample from both of these, and I'll show you how they layer. See, look, I actually adhered them together. I used one of the cardstocks from my stash. This is a separate die cut. It is all that detail, and this is a separate die cut. I'm sure it will look gorgeous in pink or yellow or white. Oh my god, white. Oh, it will look really pretty. So that's what that looks like. And the sentiment says smile, so you get that too. Let me put this away and bring in. So that was all about the contents of card kit. As I said, if you subscribe for a card kit, or if you subscribe for one of the value clubs which includes card kit, then you will get all these dies. Let me bring out the dies for the small die of the month next, and let's see what we have. Okay, so this time die of the month has a scooter. That's what we called it in India. So you will have 2 tires, and this thingy that goes here, or this thingy that goes there. I think something like that happens somewhere. I still have to figure it out and see what it looks like, but that's what it is. And look at this. This is a balloon, and in this balloon you can fit all these words or letters. It says, let me see what it says. What does it say? I think this one says Xiao. Xiao. Or Chao, or how you say that word, Chao, I think. And then this one here, enjoy. I think this is supposed to say enjoy. See, this looks like L, but it's going to be like this, so it's going to be enjoy the ride. So that's what it's going to say. And then I'll assemble all these, and then I'll make some quick tips kind of thing on where what goes, and that's when you'll see all this. I think one of these is a side mirror for the scooterette, and so on. Isn't that fun? That is going to be so much fun. I can totally imagine creating birthday cards, yeah, maybe on vacation kind of cards. This is going to be such a fun one to play with. So that's the small die of the month for May 2019. And one of the biggest advantages I find of being a subscriber is all these work together and they build on each other. I have found myself creating cards not only with the current kit contents, but combining them with the previous ones and making something really wonderful. For example, first they had a paper doll. Next month they had paper doll with all the dress and everything. Next month they had butterflies, and the following month I think they had bunnies. I combined all those three die kits to create the fawn Disney fairy and her bunny. So see, it helps to build on top and be a subscriber. Build on top of these kits and be a subscriber, because see, you can do a lot more. Also, more often than not, I find myself combining even these between the same month's card kit and small die of the month, or card kit and large die of the month, and so on and so forth. I love doing that all the time. I think this is supposed to be a cake, or is it supposed to be, I still have to play with this. Is it supposed to be 3D? I don't know, we'll see. And then this goes like this, and it has, let me put it the other side so you can see the design on it. And then you have all these cake toppers. You have these two, or you can cut out two candles or two sticks with which you can put up a banner, or you can even cut it out like that. So you can cut two of those and cut a banner. I wonder what these are. We'll have to see. And then here also, oh, there are some tiny flowers, two sizes, and then there are numbers. Oh my goodness, this is fun. Let me pull out all the numbers, okay? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 9, that's a 6, that's a 7, that's a 8, and that's a 9, and it has UR. So you can actually make a fun card for a little boy or a girl that says UR 4, for example. And put some hearts. There are some leaves to go with the flowers. You can put hashtag. There are two sets of banners too, and then there is this flag kind of thing. This is going to be amazing to play with. And as I said, this has some balloon stuff, so maybe we can combine some of the balloon stuff with some of this cake stuff and make something different. I don't know, maybe, we'll see. So that is all that gets included in the value club for Kit and Caboodle from Spellbinders. I hope you liked these and liked this unboxing video, and I hope you got some ideas and will play with it and give it a try. And let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more of these videos and talk about them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for dropping by, and all the links and supplies will be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.